Hi all, Nisi Love Harmon here of What She Creating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to gather without using a gathering foot on the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. This is an easy step. I learned it from Black Women Stitch on Instagram, so check her out and let's get started. Now, some of the basic things you'll need is a piece of floss. Yes, I said it, floss, as well as your fabric that you're going to use. I'm going to use this short fabric so that you can see. And let me show you what to set your machine on. Now, this is a viewer requested video, so thanks for your video ideas and keep sending them. And let's go. Okay, guys, so let's talk about the settings. As far as my width, I'm going to put my width on 5, and I'm going to put my length on around, I'll probably do about 2.5, and I'm using the zigzag option, so I need to change my foot and use the zigzag foot. So I'll be using the zigzag foot for this. So essentially what you're doing is a zigzag stitch. And my tension is on 4. I'm using a size 11 needle because I'm sewing cotton, and I have my thread wound up and I'm ready to go. Okay, so this is super easy, and this is red, so it's gonna smell, it smells like cinnamon, so I guess my garment may smell like cinnamon right now. I'm gonna make sure that the floss is extending out about 1 inch before I start doing this process. And all I'm gonna do is pretty much zigzag stitch over the floss. So I'm just gonna do a zigzag stitch, but I'm not touching the floss. And I'm trying to stay on the 4/8 at the same time. I'm trying to stay on the 4/8 line, as well as I'm watching this to make sure that it doesn't hit the floss. Okay, and make sure that your floss extends out past the fabric or whatnot, because if you don't, it's going to be hard to do this. So now you have your stitches done, and all I do is take the floss on both sides here, just like, you know, scrunch, and then, you know, you scrunch it, and then, you know, pull it out as needed. And you successfully completed your gather, right? And then, you know, you can put your seams together and you can take the floss out. So that's a super easy way that I gather with my Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. All right, ladies and gents, so thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube page as well as like our video. Follow us on social media, as well as give us video comments and ideas. And thanks for watching, and happy sewing.